Okay, then, right, you know Uncle Philip is me, don't you?
That's the one.
What did Uncle Philip tell you about leaving the hair system or not changing the tape?
Yeah, that's true.
Right, so you can see,
my hands have been held up.
It looks like someone's giving you like a love bite with
I
the
look
biggest lips in the world.
That's true.
Right, so everybody, this young man is not going to do that again, are you?
Oh no, I
Right.
wouldn't dream of it.
Because how do you think?
I've learned my lesson the hard way now.
How do you know that he's not going to listen to me?
My man of my word. I look a lot more paler on that video, man. Jesus. It's not very flattering, is it?
Mate, I've never seen a tan ginger.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, no, yeah.
My missus is ginger. Never see a tan
It's
ginger.
not ginger.
Yeah, strawberry blonde.
Strawberry
Yeah, that's what
blonde.
everyone
Come
said,
on.
innit?
So James, you're going for the One Direction look, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Sort of Ed Sheeran meets Justin Bieber back in 2013, innit? That sort of look. Yeah.
Our resident comedian, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Love that strawberry blonde.
It's good, innit?
What did Troy say? Rust, what did you say about
my father-in-law for lack of a better term
father-in-law already? You risking saying this on video?
says that my girlfriend's hair is not ginger. It's like a rusty 2p piece.
That's one way of putting it, I guess.
It's a dark ginger. I guess.
We love strawberry blonde.
It's on the
in
dark
here.
end of the spectrum, innit?
You look at the difference already. Look at that. Can you see
Spot
yourself
on.
in it?
I can, yeah. I look so much paler in that mirror, mate.
No, but it looks good with the hair.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
So our resident comedian
Yeah, that's
in
the
the
one.
bowl
Yeah.
just told us that you went hardcore on the two vaccinations. You had
Mix and match.
AstraZeneca and what
Cocktail.
else?
Pfizer.
And the Pfizer.
And the Pfizer. You thought, come on, give me it. I like being a rat.
And Sunny
Lab
Williams.
rat.
Yeah,
Just
that's it. Yeah. I reckon it's more effective then. I'm no scientist, but you never know.
What?
We'll find out.
Did you tuck your tail in?
Yeah,
You
that's
came in
it.
today.
Yeah. Mate. It's just like body aches. Like I couldn't really. I didn't go to the gym for a while. I couldn't play footy. It was just, oh mate.
Well, that's good news because I was like a big girl's blades as well. After two.
And I managed to get off work for a couple of days as well, so it was alright.
I'm just admiring myself. Oh, sorry, I'm doing the video. I'm trying to compete with this comedian. I'm just admiring myself. Oh no, we actually got a client.
There we are.
Right. So what happened then? We put some stuff on your head and you screamed, didn't you?
Yeah. First 10 seconds after that.
Yeah. But
Like a
now, why did that happen? Because
Probably
you
because-
left this on
Too
too
long,
long,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay. So there you
I
did.
learned it the hard way.
So you didn't expect that coming from me,
No,
did you? So
no.
it's honestly right. So what James has done? He just left the tape on too long, and he's been a 2-week hold. And tape doesn't have holes in it, yeah. So it's gathered a little bit of sweat. So that is nothing to worry about. But I'm glad he came in now and he's having a new system fitted, so I can educate you.
We've got it now. We've got it.
You've got it. James Strawberry Blonde.
Ish.
What was the other one you said? I quite like
Rusty
that.
2p piece.
Rusty 2p piece. And you sure your missus
I'm not saying anything else.
Your missus doesn't watch your videos?
No, she doesn't. So I get away with it.
Okay, so this is James' system, and we're doing all lace around the sides. And as you've seen from the picture, he is going to remove the system weekly and not leave it on too long because he's left the sore in the front of his head, which is not ideal with all the weather, is it, Troy?
No, definitely
So
not.
you've definitely got self-maintenance. Even though you don't feel like doing it, it's really paramount that you do it more often when the temperature's been so hot. Hair really suits you, doesn't it?
Does that. Brings out my eyes, mate.
There we go. It's alright, that's a bleep, everyone.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's my bad.
Don't fucking worry about
They
it.
should all be. They should all be 18 plus, shouldn't they?
Don't ever worried about it. Yeah, we're all over 18.
Yeah, mate.
You're allowed
exactly.
you're allowed to swear when
If you
you
have one of these younger than 18, then
Yeah, it's a bit of
Yeah.
an issue, isn't it?
you're really,
Yeah,
really
that's it.
unfortunate.
That is it.
How old are you?
I
19?
went far off. I was 21, wasn't I? I
Yeah,
went far
bless you.
off.
Done well.
Yeah.
And you went over to Canada and worked on a ski resort,
I did,
didn't you?
yes. Escaped.
You escaped. And that's
Is
the
this
beginning.
the guy's hat we had for about...
Yeah, I
I
gave
tried
him
to give it
back.
to someone else the other week,
Yeah.
because it was him, and he was like...
Yeah, I said no, they're coming in. So. Right, okay, so how did you find it coaching with the skiing, with the helmet?
I'm I'm a natural really, so I don't know. I took it to like a duck to water in it.
Well, you were locked in your room for lockdown, and you watched the videos for 2 weeks, didn't you?
Yeah, I had to sit in my hotel room for 2 weeks. I thought, right, might as well do something productive. Watch the videos. A couple of times over, I think. Stuck them in the brain.
And then while you were out in Canada coaching and teaching skiing, you didn't find it an issue? You got to wear a hat, haven't you?
And I was in like what -20 to -30 conditions.
Yeah.
Blizzards, snow, and it was fine.
To be fair, that's not one of the questions we often get, is it?
No.
How cold can you wear?
Yeah.
It's usually, if it gets hot, what's the issue?
Don't get
Not
much
if it
colder
gets-
than -30 anywhere in the
No.
world, though. So I think you're all right, unless you go into the bloody Antarctic.
And did you tell anyone you had a hair system or not?
No. Other than I only told my roommate because obviously he needed to help me with it.
All right, and he was astonished, was
Yeah, when I told him, he was like, "Eh?" And I had to prove it to him. I just lifted up the front a little bit, and he was like, "Oh my god!"
he? Never
No
knew.
one noticed.
And he helped you.
Yeah,
Brilliant.
Yeah. So yeah, he was there. He was the only guy that knew.
And how long were you out there in the end?
For 15 months across two
Yeah.
seasons.
2 seasons.
Not bad.
And James, as you see, likes a fringe look, which is so easy to maintain.
Yeah.
We're all wearing fringes in here now, aren't
Yeah.
we? Right, so
Definitely not easy.
so they're so easy to maintain. And
Yeah.
literally, I know you really didn't find it that difficult at all, did you? Once you,
That one, I think that lasted me 9 months, didn't it?
At least.
I had that on for at least 9 months.
yeah,
I think close to 10 months.
that's
If
really
my
good.
maths is correct.
Cool. And why do you like seeing you're such a handsome young man? Why do you like hair on your face with such a pretty boy?
Yeah, that's it.
Is it just the look is that the
Now I've always like when I had hair, when my hair was solid, it was always
always had
I
a
always
fringe?
wore it down. It was
Yeah.
like close to the eyebrows. So I don't know.
So basically, where you have to think back to when you were 5 then.
Yeah, that's it. You know, I just looked at old photos and I
I'll
was
tell
like,
you what, I've just seen the photos of me when I was 5.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be going back for that. I've got
No.
a 1980s mullet.
Oh yeah,
that's
me.
look, business in the front, plate in the
Nah,
back,
mate.
innit?
You might.
Real bad, straight
No,
fringe mullet.
yeah.
Oh, that's it.
I swear my mum used to cut my hair and put a bowl on my head.
See, my mum did cut my hair and was a hairdresser, and I still had a shocking haircut.
Yeah, nah, that looks coming back. A few of my mates are starting to get the mullet.
I've seen a few lads walking around with
Yeah,
mullet
it
recently.
seems like that style's coming
I
back.
tell you
for
what,
some
it ain't
reason.
coming back in here.
Nah, a few of my mates have started to get little
And
mullets.
what we decided to call your look? The Bieber.
Ed Sheeran meets Bieber.
Ed Sheeran makes Bieber. There we go. Cool. All right, you got it.
Bit racist,
You got-
it's ginger.
Yeah. How's your strawberry blonde looking?
That's it. What's it, rusty 2p piece?
Mate, my missus is going to kick my ass, she watches it.
Yeah, we're going to message. I'm going to somehow get hold of your message. What's the
That's
video?
going to catch on, I reckon, that.
Yeah, there we go. That's a good little close up of how natural the lace looks. And again, that's pretty cool. Do that again, Joy. Yeah. Cool.
You wouldn't even know.
Nah.
I would.
Oh yeah, of course.
So I've just stuck it down.
The experts would.
No. Hey, people say to me, could I, when I'm walking around, do I ever notice? And I think I've only ever probably seen 2 in the last 5 years where I've gone, that guy's wearing a system,
And that's a trained eye, innit?
or someone who's like, you might go, oh, that guy's like, I saw one guy walking around the shops not far from here the other week, and he was a Chinese guy, bright white hair all around here, and a jet black, thick as hell thing. I was like,
no.
that's a bad wig.
No.
But yeah, the only other time I think I've seen one was when I think it was during the first lockdown, and
Yeah.
I went to, I think it was a certain branded cheap shop, and I went in and I saw a guy and it just looked the wrong colour, like it had faded. I was like, I think he's wearing one, but I couldn't say definitely.
That's a trained eye, innit?
So that's what I mean, they are good, like even for someone like myself who's been doing it for so long,
Yeah.
I'm not being able to tell half the time.
Yeah, I wouldn't
You look
screw
boyish.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good stuff.
Right, we'll get to that front then.
Nice, mate. Nice.
Your face.
Oh yes, mate. Come on.
There you go, buddy.
Nice.
Show your back.
So how young are you now?
Say again.
How young are you? 20?
21.
21.
21, yeah.
And
That's seamless.
you've got,
We'll show you that side,
Oh,
it
yes.
fills in the way.
oh, that's right, even
that's
better.
good.
That
It's the
was.
same.
Yeah, that's all good.
So happy?
Oh yes, mate.
Alright, okay, give us a smile then. Look at that.
Cheesy
Fantastic.
grin, mate.
Boyish looks.
Yeah.